Keep all of your important work centralized by attaching files to your sheets. Let's take a look at how to attach different file types to a sheet, stay organized, and share with your team and stakeholders. Files can either be attached to a row or can be attached to the entire sheet. To attach an item to a row, go to the Attachments column indicated by a paperclip and click on the plus sign, or open the Row menu and select Attachments. Drag and drop the files onto the Attachments window, or click on Attach to navigate to the files you'd like to attach. Let's upload a presentation, attach a draft of a blog post from Google Docs, and a mock-up of the landing page from Dropbox. Add a description to the attachment to share helpful details. The paperclip icon next to the row indicates that the files are available. If you attach files from Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, Evernote, or Ignite, you'll go directly to the latest version of those files. If you previously uploaded a file from your computer and now have an updated version to share, use Upload New Version to track version number and history. You can also easily share one or multiple attachments with others directly from the Attachments window. Update the subject line and customize the message to provide context. To manage all of the attachments in your sheet or attach a file at the sheet level, click on the Attachments icon in the right sidebar and sort by date, name, size, or user. Click on the row number next to an attachment to view only the attachments for that row. And click on All to jump back to all of the sheet's attachments. And that's attachments and file sharing in Smartsheet.